Hi guys, my name is Faith and this is Faith's Pulse. I'm a Nigerian living in Brisbane, Australia, and on this channel I talk about meaningful living, travel and general living tips here in Australia. So it's a Sunday and we're looking to explore a Sunday farmers market in Redcliffe. I've been to a farmers market, but it's always been the one in West End, which is actually on a Saturday as against this one which is on a Sunday. So I'm totally looking forward to exploring a new farmers market in a totally new area. I've been to Redcliffe before. There's a video on my channel about me going to Captain Cook Beach and Park, and I hear the farmers market is just around the corner, so I'm totally looking forward to going to the beach as well if we have the time. I'm looking forward to the street food. I'm also looking forward to the kind of things there which I might want to buy, and yeah, I'm just looking forward to having a good time. If that sounds like something you'd love to see, definitely keep on watching. Hey guys, so we're at Captain Cook Park. Remember the last time I was here, I showed you what the beach looked like. We also went on a walk all the way down there. You see that bridge. But today we are looking to explore the market. We heard there's a market somewhere, so we're looking to explore that today. But the beach still looks really beautiful. Quite ruffled up from the flood, I think, but yeah, it still looks nice. I'm going to show you what the market looks like when we get there, okay? So right over here there's a park. It's called Redcliffe Park, and you can see children just playing and having a good time on a beautiful Sunday morning.
Girl, you're fine, not gonna lie, I just wanna make you my, yeah. What you gonna do about it? Or let's pretend we stay just friends. Would you find some other guy when the night ends? What you gonna do about it? Tell you what, let's forget about it. You've got enough fancy friends and a way about you. Like your luck, it's never ever gonna dry up. No, tell you what, let's forget about it. You got it all figured out in a way about you. Like you can't get enough of wild nights. You work so hard, night and day, all of it.
I don't think that one will be here.
No. Oh, there's a Salvos at the back there.
Monday to and the way you move is like you own the room. Everybody gonna turn their heads and look at you, yeah. What you gonna do about it? Tell you what, let's forget about it. You've got enough fancy friends and a way about you. Like your luck, it's never ever gonna dry up. No, tell you what, let's forget about it. You got it all figured out in a way about you. Like you can't get enough of wild nights and high fives. Tell you what, let's forget about it. You got enough fancy friends and a way about you. Can't get enough wild nights. Tell you what, let's forget about it. You got it all figured out. Like you can't get enough of wild nights and high fives. Tell you what, let's forget about it. You've got enough fancy friends and a way about you. Like your luck, it's never ever gonna dry up.
In a double? Yes, 2 flavors. Thank you.
Tell you what, let's forget about it. You got it all figured out in a way about you. Like you can't get enough of wild nights. Tell you what, let's forget about it. You've got enough fancy friends and a way about you. Like your luck, it's never.
Yay. Thank you.
Dry up. No. Tell you what, let's forget about it. You got it all
Hey guys, I was truly having an amazing time at the farmers market, from having street food to having candy floss, which brought back beautiful memories. I just thought it was great to have a farmers market just by the beachside. Then I spotted Orange Sherbet store and I was like, no way, best day ever. Let's definitely go in and do some shopping. So I've always shopped from Orange Sherbet, but just online, and I had no idea the store was right here in the farmers market. It was a lovely coincidence, guys. Enough talking, let's see what's in the store and let's definitely do some shopping, guys.
Yeah, I've been just picking up pieces of you. Think about how can I keep with you? I've been just picking up pieces of you. Think about how can I keep with you? 헤어지자고 아침부터 you've been going through my phone. 말해봐 내가 바보인 줄 알아 not alone. Yeah, you and I 날라가 cause we're flying for my brothers. 바보야 I got problems popping bottles. 소주 취한 밤에 때가 소주 내가 미안하다고 I'm sorry but my mind too. 난 아직 생각나 그러지 마 꼭 돌아와. Don't you ever say goodbye. 또 애태우는 내 맘 문자 보낼지 몰라. Think about you all the time baby 아프지 마자 tonight. 전화하고 싶은 나 I've been sipping on the rocks on the wine let's just ride the life. Yeah, I've been just picking up pieces of you. Yeah, how can I keep with you? I've been just picking up pieces of you. Think about how can I keep with you? 서로 좋아하는데 왜 안 된 걸까? 벌써 1년 지났지만 I ain't doing alright. 매일 생각해 I've been struggling like everyday. 하루하루 지나도 난 여기 있는데 You remember all the times 여기까지 왔는데 사랑하고 살아 빠지고 너무 많이 지치고 힘든 매 Automatic kinda crazy 이제 떠날게. 꿈에 나타나지 말고 나도 그렇게 해줄게. Picking up the pieces 그리워진 않아 이제 네가 행복하기만 바라면 baby today. I've been just picking up pieces of you. Think about how can I keep with you? I've been just picking up pieces of you. Think about how can I keep with you? 시간 돌려봐 back in time I don't really know. Puzzle pieces lost baby I don't even really know. 이대로 가기 너무 아쉬워 But you know the time is up and we gotta go. 시간 돌려봐 back in time I don't really know. Puzzle pieces lost baby I don't even really know. 만약에 딴 인생 if we get another go need your pay it's again I ain't never letting go. I've been just picking up pieces of you.
So next up, we thought to explore another area in Redcliffe called Pelican Park. It is also by the seaside, and I think that what's most exciting about this area is the open water fun park that we found. It is organized by Aquasplash Redcliffe. They have a variety of inflatable water slides and obstacle courses and just fun things for children to play around and have so much fun while having a great swim as well. So I'd like to mention that this Aquasplash is just for children. Not that I would have entered if it was for adults anyways. But yeah, the product prices range from $14 to $35 depending on your preference. And I'm going to put the address on the screen so that you can have a look if you are ever in Redcliffe, okay?
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll like hips and take back sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go you can go slow, wind it up all night, baby take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Roll back then rotation, cigarettes and just season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are.
Hey guys, so this is Pelican Park. We just left Captain Cook. The Sunday market was already closing up when we got there, but yeah, we still found some things, and I found orange sherbet. I was so excited. But this is currently Pelican Park, and we're just chilling. It's got a beach side in front of it as well. It's got like a beach around it as well. And yeah, we're just gonna chill here for a bit before heading home. That guy just sailed away, and that one on the speedboat just went as well. But yeah, it's been a good Sunday so far. Excited. Ooh, what's he doing? Cool stuff, man. Amazing.
For me, and last weekend you had me thinking, oh, must get in and let my head up. Like